Finding the courage to change. Hurry up and grant me patience. There's a part of me that is always in a hurry. I want patience and I want it now. I want to be a better person today. If I don't see results from my step study in a month, then the steps don't work. Or there's something wrong with me. I've slowly learned the value of patience and focus. I've realized that the process of changing lifelong habits is just like learning any other skill. If I want to learn to play an instrument, I know that it takes time, energy, and attention to play beautifully and easily. I would practice my music every day. I would play the instrument because the playing was fun, not for a result. I know that the daily practice will result in mastery eventually. There's a quote from Confucius that sums this up. You cannot create a statue by smashing the marble with a hammer, and you cannot, by force of arms, release the spirit or the soul of a man. I've been trying to force a change in my lifelong patterns. I've been criticizing myself, using a hammer to try to release my spirit. Then I feel upset when my forceful efforts have little result. It's time for me to surrender my impatience. I have to become willing to relax and allow the power of daily practice to work its magic on me. On the inside, my pace feels so slow, but on the outside, people say, "You've changed." Daily focus and patience are the easy path to success.